If you've watched my channel, you'll recognize both of these trucks, but what you won't recognize is that aluminum military box in the back of the Dodge. It's because it's totally new. I just added it in this video. I'm going to go over a few details about our next camper build and why we chose this particular box to start with. So this is our old Pop Top Alaskan. We've been using this for the last 8 years and it's been awesome. It's such a good camper. But all of this space from the side of the truck into where the camper starts in the bed is all just basically wasted space. So what we're trying to do is maximize that space with this aluminum military box. We've welded a cage for the top that will be bolted on and skinned with aluminum. So we'll have 6 feet of walk around space inside, plenty of storage in these compartments, and all of these compartments will be accessible from inside the camper. The trade-off is it's going to be taller. I'm going to miss that about the Alaskan being low, but it was starting to get kind of old on trips. So if you stop to make lunch, you pull over for a nap, you know, you're raising and lowering the camper like 3 or 4 times a day on longer trips. And with this one, we're just going to be able to hop in the back and quickly just go to sleep or make food or do whatever we want without raising and lowering it constantly. You want some too? Dude, I already put the hot sauce in, man. It's gonna be too spicy for you. starting to get kind of stormy back here, so I think we're going to head out. Wind's picking up, it's getting rainy.